Hello everyone, welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video, we are going to see how we can convert a VCF file into Excel and Excel file into VCF using Google Contacts. For those who don't know what is VCF file, it is also known as vCard file, and it is your phone contacts file exported from your phone. Whether it is iPhone or Android, both are same. So this is my VCF file. I'll just open it. This is a format of the VCF file, and that's why it is really important sometimes when we need this data in a Excel format or CSV format. So let's close it and move to Google Contacts. This is Google Contacts. You can just visit contacts.google.com. Once you go there, you go and click on this button, import, or also you can click on import contacts. So if you go and click on this, it will ask for your file, select file, and this is my file, iPhone contacts, select, and once it is done, import, and you can see the contacts are here. But now we want these contacts in a Excel format so that we can edit it faster. For this, you can click on this box and then this drop down, click on all. Once it is done, then go to these three dots and export. And after this, select Google CSV. Once it is done, export, and Excel format of this contacts list will be downloaded like this. You can go and make the changes, and once it is done, for example, it is Christina, right? Once it is done, save it and close it, and you can go and import them again. Select, and this is the downloaded file contacts.csv in which we have made the changes from Chris to Christina. Select it and import it. Once it is done, you will see the contacts will change and it will be updated here. Christina Brown. You can see the contacts have been changed and it has been updated in this list. So with the help of Google Contacts, you can convert VCF into Excel, Excel into VCF, and also in case if you want to store your contacts, you can store them in Google Contacts as well. So you don't need a separate software to process this data, and it is 100% free. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.